Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the square of the numbers in a sequence by using the for loop. Here I am writing a for loop. For a in is a keyword. Here I am giving a list 1, 4, 7 followed by colon. So for is a keyword, a is a loop variable. So we have to give an in operator which helps us to get the values one by one and make the condition true. So here I am having list 1, 4, 7 followed by a colon. So in the body of the for loop, I am giving an indentation. I am printing print a. In the next statement, I am printing a star a. So this is my program. How it works? In the for loop, the a will take the first value 1 is the value of a. A in 147. In operator will return true and the element which we are comparing in the left side is in the sequence 147. So a is in 147, it will return true and print a. So here I am writing output. It will print the value 1 because a takes 1 first. Print a star a. This is also 1. So the statement is over. The control will come to this place in the loop header and take the next value in the sequence 4. So a will take the value 4. 4 in the list 147. This is true. Print a. It is printing 4. Here print a star a. It will print 16. The statement is over. It will come to the next iteration. Take the value 7. A will take the value 7. 7 in 147 is true. It will print the value a 7. Here a star a 7 star 7 is 49. Now it come here, the sequence is over. Come to the header, the sequence is over. So the control will come out of the next statement after the loop. So I am getting the square of the elements in the list. So I am printing the number and followed by the square of the number. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.